I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate Bonfire Night treat, my gooey s'mores bars that might just outdo the fireworks. I've got my ingredients ready to tackle these treats, and my Wren cupboards keep my baking equipment organised and easy to grab. Start by blitzing the biscuits, melt the butter, then in a large mixing bowl, add together along with brown sugar, salt and cinnamon. Press down in a baking dish, then pop it in the oven. Melt the chocolate, then pour on top. Add the giant marshmallows and grill to give them a charred finish. Then it's time for the taste test. These won't last long in our house.